Hello everybody, it's your boy Frostbit. Today we're gonna reviewing the Ducky 1-2 mini keyboard with the switches M, X, silent, red. So here we have our packages already gotten, opened the thing. This is the fastest YouTube video, unboxing review. So give a like, subscribe for new also YouTube content. So here you see the keyboard, here you see the stands you can just pop out really fast. And yeah, you have some adjustments, and then I'm gonna show you the greatest RGB from the Ducky. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yes, it's really nice RGB. You can change those in the options and the tools. Yeah, it's a really great keyboard. And now here are some typing sounds. Guys, subscribe to my channel Frostbit. I'm the best YouTuber. I'm so entertaining. And yeah, subscribe for my new gaming channel series that's coming. And yeah, I don't waste your time on this channel. You can actually enjoy being here. Okay, see you.